Well, welcome back. Well, on my last video, we kind of went over the dashboard and we wanted to talk about how YouTube Studio allows you to build your own dashboard or see the videos on your dashboard and see, live analytics of what's been going on in your channel. Today, it's only putting to move on to the content page. So here, you're greeted with your long form videos. The great thing here is you can actually do some large batch changes. So if you want to make edits to something, say you forgot to change something and you want to go ahead and make that change to all your videos, you can do that here. That's one really nice feature. You can go in and see the analytics of each video, the comments. You can watch it on YouTube, and it's got some other options here. So if you see a video that did really well, like say this one here, I can actually use the brainstorm video ideas, which will take me over to inspiration. What inspiration is it uses, Gemini, which is Google's AI, and helps you come up with ideas that might interest you in for your next videos. And so you can see I have a lot of tech videos here, and so it's giving me some new tech ideas I might be able to be interested in. Now, it doesn't create the videos for you, anything like that, but it helps you with some scripting, gives you some details on what you might want to talk about. It even helps pull data and give you some websites and links and stuff of information to help you with that next video. Shorts, very similar to the long form videos. You can edit here. You can view the analytics, the comments. You can also click here and do batch changes. Live. So this is where your live streams are. Either they're ones that's scheduled or they're live streams that you've already, performed. And you can actually see in the analytics the amount of people who are viewing during that live stream and the people where they dropped off, so you can see what you were talking about in your broadcast when people left. So it's got some good information there. Something new that YouTube has done is they've started a post page. And so on your YouTube channel, you can actually post things on your channel. Kind of think of it like a small Facebook page or something of that nature. You can actually do polls. You can ask for quizzes, or you can post an image, which might, get someone to want to click on your video and see that video. So you can see I've utilized that some. Not a whole lot. Looks like I've done 24 posts. It lets you know how many comments, likes that you get. Don't look like it lets you see analytics on any of those. But as you can see, I don't get a lot of responses, but I don't have a lot of people on my channel. I mean, you saw I just have 128 subscribers at the moment. Playlist. So once you create playlist, you can do that here, or you'll see it whenever you're uploading your video, have a playlist and you have a create button. This allows you to edit those playlists and see them on YouTube, so you can see what they truly look like and what your viewers are going to see if it's in the right order. There's a lot of stuff there that you can do in playing with that playlist. Same thing, you can change it to a course, you can set it up as a podcast, which we'll talk about that here in a second. But you can see I have several different playlists. Some of the videos are in more than one playlist, some of them are just one. Same features here. You can filter, search for playlist. Podcast. So one thing about podcast is this has a direct YouTube music integration. So if you do post something as a podcast, it shows up in the YouTube music app as a podcast. And so your viewers can see you on more than just one channel avenue, such as YouTube. Courses, if you're someone who's trying to teach and train people, you can do full courses here. You can even present your viewers with things like badges. And so those badges are something you can create and your users get it to show that they finished your course. Also, On the courses, your videos are watched instead of like a playlist where you can click through them. Your videos are watched just in the order of your course. So they have to watch video A, video B, video C, and so on. So the course is a really neat thing. If you are someone who's trying to teach and train, this is a new option that they've added. Promotions. So you can create a promotion. I was just playing with it to see what it was whenever I was first learning. But you can actually put a dollar value, and it gives you kind of an idea how many impressions you might get, how many views, and how many subscribers based off that dollar value. And then YouTube will promote your video, trying to push it out to more people. And when I looked this up, it wasn't really recommended for brand new channels, just because YouTube is still trying to figure out who you are, what type of video content you make. Now, after you make several videos and YouTube fully understands who your seed audience is, well, this is probably the way, if you're trying to grow, that you could really promote and grow. Last thing here is collaborations. So that's when you and another content creator on YouTube decide to make a video together, and that video shows up on both yours and their channel. And that allows their viewers and your viewers to see that video and possibly gain subscribers and gain new viewers from those two different video platforms or pages, and viewers coming together to see your video that you did together. You can have up to 5 different creators do one video together. So that's pretty neat there. I've got some more here, but those are part of the paid VidIQ, which I don't pay for at the moment. It has a lot of good features. I see where people could pay for it, but I don't at the moment. If you do have any questions or anything about this, feel free to reach out to me in the comments below. Also, like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank y'all very much.